Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. We have to simplify this. Now before we simplify, we must remember that cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta and sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So using this information, in first two terms, let's look at the second term. We have cos square 80 plus cos square 10 into cos square 80 plus cos square 10. So we can write this as cos square 80 plus sin square 80. And in the denominator it's going to be sin square 80 plus cos square 80 plus this is going to be cos theta sin theta divided by tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus this is sin theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta into cos theta divided by cot theta is again cos theta divided by sin theta. Now if we look at the second term, we can simplify this as, let's see, cos square 80 plus cos square 10. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so 1 divided by 1 plus sin theta get cancelled out and we have 1 by cos theta divided by 1 by cos theta, which can be written as cos square theta, plus similar cos theta get cancelled out and we have sin theta divided by 1 by sin theta, so sin square theta. This is based on sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now cos square 80 plus sin square 80 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and here we have used cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. So what we have here is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the answer of this expression when simplified is 2.